What's up YouTube? I'm Angel and welcome back to our channel. Right now I am up getting ready to fix Olivia's lunch. Today I'm going to do some Christmas chicken nachos, which I will be showing. So let's get into it. What's up YouTube and welcome back to our channel. I know that I have been MIA for a couple days and the reason being I was just taking time to myself and with my family. My grandpa passed and we have his funeral today, and so just going through the most. I'm probably just gonna collaborate a few days into one so that I could get back on track with Vlogmas, because I want to make sure to stay consistent, but it's just kind of hard when I need to take that time to myself too and with my family. So I just wanted to let y'all know that, and we'll see what else this video holds. Bye y'all.
Whatever my lot, thou hast taught me to say, it is well, with my soul.
And I'm getting ready to cook. I'm not really sure what I'm cooking yet, but I'm gonna look in here and see. And I also have a Aldi order that's on the way, about to be delivered. So we're gonna get that going, and we'll just close out. And I'm gonna let y'all see what Justin has been up to in a second. So we'll be back with some cooking and stuff.
What's up YouTube? It's your boy Justin. I'm back with a video. I'm just checking in. My job got me in a hotel, as you can tell. But yeah, I'm just checking in. You know, I've been MIA in a couple of these videos my wife been posting, so just checking in, see how everybody doing and stuff. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I ain't really doing too much. I'm sitting here watching little SpongeBob. I know she made some videos and she had a funeral. My daughter had a recital, and I missed both of those. And I work oil field, so I'm out of town for like 2 or 3 weeks at a time, and I come home for a week. So yeah, I hate I missed that, but it's what comes with the work life. Yeah, like I said, I'm just checking in. Ain't doing too much, chilling, watching little SpongeBob, sitting in the room. They let us off today, so just chilling. Other than that, see you when I see you. Probably be Wednesday. I'll be home. Should be. Anyway. But anyway.
Alright, so I just got my Aldi order delivered. So I'm going to unpack that and then get started on cooking, so I don't have Olivia going to bed too late and stuff. So let's do it. Alright, so I got the chicken in the oven. I think I'm just gonna do some chicken, some rice, and some green beans. I know we eat green beans a lot, but that's because that's one of my baby's favorite foods to eat. And so it's not too many things that she really just eats. She eats a lot of stuff, but it's still a limited list. So I would rather do that than have her not get her veggie intake in. So I'm waiting on the chicken. I'm gonna do some green beans and just some rice because it's kind of, we're probably about 2 hours out from her bedtime, so I don't want to cut it too close. So yeah, I'll be back.